Imagine, after a long day, entering your home to find it perfectly set up for relaxation. The soft light casts a warm glow while gentle melodies wrap around you, making everything fade away. The air carries a soothing calm, freeing you from the burdens of the outside world. The kitchen robot hums quietly in the background, expertly chopping vegetables and stirring sauces as you sink into the comfort of your sofa. You glance at the screen, watching the cooking progress while savoring your favorite show, feeling the stress of the day melt away. The scent of a delicious meal wafts through the air, inviting and warm, and you can't help but smile at the ease of it all. You gently rise from your seat, the anticipation of a lovely dinner unfolding as you set the table. The kitchen robot has really outdone itself this time, transforming ingredients into a culinary masterpiece without you lifting a finger. As laughter fills the room with your guests, you bask in the joy of connection, not just with your friends, but with the seamless technology that allows you to fully engage in the moment. The doorbell rings, and as you welcome them, the smart mirror lights up and displays a warm greeting along with the evening's agenda: dinner, followed by board games and laughter. Your home feels alive, a blend of comfort and sophistication. Each aspect seems designed to dissolve the barriers of stress. The evening progresses delightfully, and your smart mirror continues to provide updates, ensuring nothing slips your mind. Meanwhile, the interactive pet camera sends notifications, revealing your beloved dog, who wags its tail excitedly upon hearing your voice. You can't help but chuckle, imagining their joyful response as you tell them you'll be home soon. A quick glance at the smart luggage in the corner reassures you that all your travel essentials are organized and ready for your next adventure. Just as you settle in, someone asks about the kitchen robot's latest culinary creation, sparking curiosity among your guests. You proudly share how the device integrates with your routine, transforming the cooking process into a relaxing experience rather than a chore. Each revelation about your home's capabilities emphasizes the future of technology and how these innovations harmonize with everyday life, allowing everyone to dream of what's truly possible in a seamlessly connected world. The conversation dances around the room, merging excitement for the advancements yet to come with appreciation for the benefits already reaped. It's a night etched in memory, one made richer through the comfort and convenience smart technology brings. As dessert is served, laughter and chatter fill the air, and you take a moment to realize how technology doesn't just serve practical purposes, it fosters connection, creativity, and joy in the lives of you and your loved ones. As the evening winds down, the atmosphere is filled with warmth and camaraderie, enhanced by the gentle background music playing through the smart home system. Your guests linger, reluctant to leave this oasis of comfort, sharing stories and laughter while the kitchen robot hums quietly, tirelessly cleaning up after the delightful meal it prepared. As the last crumbs of dessert are cleared away, someone brings up the innovative smart garden that's been taking the tech world by storm. Curiosity piqued, everyone leans in as you explain how it transforms indoor spaces into lush oases, utilizing sensors to cultivate vibrant herbs and flowers effortlessly. The idea of having fresh ingredients at their fingertips elicits a flurry of excited chatter about gardening, sharing tips, and dreaming of homegrown culinary delights. The conversation shifts as someone mentions the potential for creating stunning, year-round indoor gardens, allowing them to experiment with flavors and aromas. You smile, imagining the aroma of fresh basil, cilantro, and mint wafting through your home, elevating not just your meals but your well-being. Just think of the possibilities, you say. Each dish can be enriched with herbs that we've nurtured ourselves. It's like bringing a piece of nature inside. Enthusiasm bubbles in the room, with everyone discussing their favorite herbs and the joy of growing something from scratch. Someone jokes about hosting a friendly competition for the best homegrown dish, and laughter erupts at the thought. The idea of a community of home gardeners forms, with plans to share cuttings and recipes, weaving a vibrant tapestry of connection and creativity. In this moment, you realize that these smart gadgets are not merely individual conveniences, they inspire a larger narrative of togetherness and collaboration in your life. The interconnectedness of technology and human experiences becomes more apparent. As the evening draws to a close, you glance around at the smiles and animated conversations, grateful for the evening spent not just enjoying innovation but also nurturing friendships, dreams, and an elevated lifestyle. The promise of a smarter future feels tangible, palpable, and ready to be embraced by all. With excitement buzzing in the air, you lean in closer, eager to discuss how the smart garden system not only beautifies spaces, but also contributes to sustainability, nourishing both body and spirit. As you reflect on the profound impact these innovations have on daily life, a sense of hope rises within you. Embracing the synergy of technology and nature, your journey towards a future filled with possibilities unfolds seamlessly, signaling the dawn of a smarter, more connected way of living that enriches every moment.